Squad, squad, squad. Squad, squad, squad.
Back at it like a crack addict, so I'm in the battle with an automatic. The police watching and the police listen, so I close the blinds and watch out for static. If they kick the door, we gon' let them have it, cause I'm with some goons, that's a couple savages. They'll fire you up if you on the traffic, they'll fan you down if you want them hot. They'll pop your eye, let you fatty wild, cause they bought their money, they be chasing wild. Know some young niggas that'll set up shop, we got the old heads that'll watch the block. Know some young niggas that'll set up shop, we got the old heads that'll watch the block. So if any one of these fuck niggas try to come around, we gon' know what's up. And these niggas so tough, Tony, but I ain't really with that talking shit. Me and my niggas, we be talking shit. Bodies dropping straight falling, bitch. And the red dots, I'm gon' do the bitch. Some headshots, they gon' do you quick. Clips longer than ruler sticks, so get out my way before we do you next. Hey, get out my way before we do you next. Yeah, we pulling up and we thumb through tags. Yeah, we pulling up and we thumb through tags. So get out my way before we do you next. Hey, don't fuck around with them block boys. Hey, don't fuck around with them block boys. Hey, we pulling up and we making noise. Yeah, we pulling up and we making noise. Hey, don't fuck around with us block boys. Don't fuck around with us block boys. Hey, we pulling up and we making noise. Yeah, we pulling up and we making noise. These niggas some fucking knots and these bitches dookie so they can't hang. Just load up my Glock 9 and send straight shots to all membranes. Niggas claim that they insane. Whole time they ain't insane. I asked them what that I about and nobody could say a thing. But if you ask me something, I'ma speak up. I'ma speak up in my code name, cause I'm gangsta disciple. Grow development recycle. Know a couple niggas that psycho that'll make it dance like Michael. No Billie Jean, but I'm feeling lit and I've been lifting pounds, so I know I'm fit. And it's wine tea for the other clips, cause these niggas lame me bitches doing dicks. Can't trust a bitch, you can't trust a hoe. Drop her off like Geronimo, I knock it down like some dominoes. I was a bad kid, but on the honor roll, and I be matching shit like 2 blunts, and I be loading nigga off 2 cups. And if a nigga hit me, watch he pass out. They say I go down the way I spaz out. So get on way before you ass out, like face down with your ass out. Call my niggas up there, bring the mask out. You better stay inside before you left out. Call my niggas up there, bring the mask out. You better stay inside before you left out.
Gang.